Does cooking food for yourself or your family stress you out? Raise your hand if you've been there. I have definitely been there. Freaking out every day around 4 or 5 o'clock because I just don't know what I'm going to make for dinner. I don't feel like I have any food in the house and I'm too tired to go to the store. I'm too tired to spend a whole lot of time making anything, or I'm just too busy and I honestly don't feel like I have the time to make good food. So I know how it feels, but I also know what it's like on the flip side, to know what's in my food, to feel good about what I'm putting in my own body and what I'm putting in the bodies of other people that I'm cooking for, to not have to spend a ton of time in the kitchen every day, to not stress about what I'm going to make because I already know what I'm going to make, to not stress about spending too much money on my groceries because I actually have a plan and a budget for them. And I want that for you guys. I want you to experience that freedom. I want you to have more time and more energy to put into the things that matter more to you, and to stop stressing and obsessing about making food and worrying about what it is that you're going to have for dinner. So, are you ready? Let's get started.